Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to another video on ethical hacking. In this video we'll make the Kali Linux full screen on wnworkstation. So the main objective of this video is to make the Kali Linux full screen on wnworkstation, because if you look at the screen right now, we can see that the screen is way too much smaller than the full screen of our system or our laptop. Or whatever you are working on. So we are willing to make it full screen so that we can see everything clearly and we have more workspace on our screen. In order to make the Kali Linux full screen, I'll just hop on over to docs.kali.org, and once I'm on the docs.kali.org, I will scroll down to where I can see the Kali Linux sources.list, and here that is. I'll just click on that or just open it in new tab, and then scroll down to where I can see the Kali rolling repository, and then copy the deb http/http.kali.org. This is basically the link to the Kali rolling repository. So I'll just copy this link, all of it, and once I copy the link over, I will click on this file manager in order to open up the file manager, and then come over and click on this other locations. Once I'm in other location, I will click on computer and then come over to etc, and from the etc I will go to apt. Once I'm in the apt, I'll right click on sources.list and open with other softwares. And then view all applications, and then I will open up it with LeafPad. And now basically remove everything and just copy and paste the command that we have just copied, the link to the rolling repository of Kali Linux, and then close out the LeafPad, close out the file manager. Right now I will open up terminal, and in the terminal, once the terminal gets opened, I'll type in apt-get update, and it will basically update all of the installed apps as well as the operating system. It will basically update the softwares as well as the operating system installed. So it will basically update everything that's on our Kali Linux machine. Once the update is complete, I'll write apt-get or apt-get install open vmtools-desktop /fuse, and let it install everything. I'll type in Y for letting it install everything on my Kali machine. And now it's just adjusting the resolution and everything. So as soon as all of the packages are getting installed, we are noticing some changes to our screen, and it's already showing the Kali Linux as full screen on my PC. So that's a good thing, but still we do need to do one thing. So let's check it out on full screen and then reboot the system once the installation of this package gets completed. This open VM tools/views. So now the installation of this package is complete. Let's just reboot the system, and rebooting the system would set everything up for us. So I'll write reboot, B-O-O-T, if I can spell reboot right. So I'll type in reboot and it will restart the VM workstation, and hopefully we will see everything on full screen. So everything would work fine. So the system is getting restarted. And now I will type in my username and password in order to log into Kali machine. And yes, indeed, you can see that we have a full screen of Kali Linux. So that's perfect. Now I have more room for doing Kali stuff, and I have more workspace for doing the ethical hacking on Kali Linux. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you did learn how to make Kali Linux full screen on VM workstation. And this was an informative video. If not, do leave a comment down below and I'll try to make another one, a better one from this one. So have a pleasant day. Bye for now, and I will see you in the next video.